So into my thing. Let's get on. Tight and this dirt. It's actually beautiful. Oh my god, that's survival. Yes it is. Okay, so that's what I decided to look into down here. And the drain was blocked. Clean that up. Then do something else. So yeah, I've got a lot of money. I've got about $700 because I saved up. I'm gonna get a new computer, desktop, because my laptop is at over home, so I can't do it. Not the entrance. Is that a new cat? No, my nan's cat. I believe. Yeah. And by the way guys, I'm going to build a machine really good. I don't know what it is, let me check it. 523. It's very water. Yes, so that's the end of this vlog. Bye guys!